Hi guys, it's Moz here, and on the workbench today, I received it this morning. This is the brand new Airfix Club for 2023. So guys, if you know, Airfix have announced this a week ago, I think it was, and they were saying that the Airfix Club membership is now active, and you can buy it for £30. And I always think that £30 is really good value for money for this club. Now, in the club, you get the opportunity to use your flying hours, which are the little tokens on the side of each box. Click those tokens, send them away, add some postage and packing, and you get yourself basically a free kit. So yeah, that's how the Airfix Club works. But also, they give you some added extras, and they give you, this year, we've got an exclusive kit. So before we go into that, let's open the box and see what we get. But before we get into the box, could I ask a favour? If you're enjoying the content of this channel, will you please subscribe? And if you can, ring that bell, select all, and you'll never miss another video again. Also, liking these videos does help the channel. Anyways, right, let's open up the box and see what we get. Inside the famous red box, we have the limited edition club kit, which is a Gloster Meteor FR9. Now, they released the Meteor last year, but they said that they had this in, it's got new parts in it obviously, but they had this kit ready for another variant, so for another release I should say, as a variant, but they decided to put this in the Airfix Club. So you will not get this kit unless you've become an Airfix Club member. We'll look into that in a minute. Also, you get the stickers. I love the stickers. I think they should put these in every single box now. Every single model kit, they should put a sticker. But I've noticed other manufacturers doing it. I got the Fab one, which is a kit from Thunderbirds, and Bachmann have released it with as an AIP, and Avengers in plastic, and we get free stickers in the in those model kits. So yeah, a bit of fun really. But yeah, you get your two Airfix stickers, you get your passport for your flying hours, and you attach your tokens there. On the back it says to get the series, and to work out the series you need to see the number. So this starts with A01, it's a series 1, A02 is a series 2, and apparently you can go up to series 9. So any kit that starts with A01 to A09 you can collect tokens for. And then you put the code of the kit you want, the description of it, and tip the kit. Then you will need to send this in with a phone number, and they will then ring you, and you then pay for your postage with a debit card, or you can also send in a check or postal order, I believe. Anyways, right, the Airfix tag, I've had these before. I've got two now actually, so this is my number 3. Put them on your keys, and basically I use them to pull them out of your pocket. So these are really good marketing. Remove before assembly tag. They've brought back the Airfix Club badge, which is really cool. I've had one before. So this one's the old club badge, and this one is the new one. So it's a lot more thicker than the old version, and it's a bit more pronounced. Has Airfix on the back, obviously. But yeah, there's more meat on this one than the original one. This one's quite thin compared to the old one. So it's quite thick, and it's more refined and more sticky outy sort of thing. So yeah, so you get one of these, the new Airfix Club badge, which is cool. And also you get your Keep Calm and Build Airfix poster. This seems to be a lot more thicker than the old one. Well, maybe the same actually, just checking the old one. But yeah, nice thick cardboard poster. And you get your welcome club letter. So, dear Airfix Club member, rah 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 rah. So there you go, that's it. Remember, you get your 10% discount of all Airfix kits via airfix.com. Exclusive products and news, 3 club magazines per year. You get your calendar, which is mine's happily on the wall, competitions, and member-only experiences. So there you go, that's the red box. So now, quick unboxing of this. I'm not going to go into too much detail. I have done a review on the Gloster Meteor and unboxing, and I'm actually building it at this moment. So, but this one here is the FR9. You can only get this kit if you are an Airfix Club member. So if you want to build an FR9, this is the one to get. Open up the box, there's the instructions here. So let's go to the decals, which is cartograph. There you are, you see that? Very crisp, very nice. Lots of stencil in there to do, if you so wish to do it. I know a lot of people who don't, they just use the standard decals and not bother with all the stenciling, but they're there if you want them, which is pretty nice. You get a huge instruction sheet, or book I should say. Very, very nice indeed. Wings up, gearing up, gearing down, pilot in this one as well. Brilliant. And there's the call outs there. So if you want to do number 8 Squadron, Royal Air Force, Sarja, Trucial States, January 1958, it's that one. And if you want to do the Combate number 211, whatever that is, Tora Air Force Base, Ecuador, 1973, you're using that one. Silver, black, matte white, and matte scarlet. So it's basically a silver machine. So there you go. And on the back also you have your stencil data. So inside you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sprues. And if you look here, you can see all the detail there. It's a great kit, this. Very, very well manufactured. Looking pretty nice there. As I said, I'm halfway through building mine at the minute. With the old, not this one, but the old one. There you are. There's the fuselage bits there. Some nice detail on that fuselage. Very nice indeed. Frame E. So there's all your added extras for your frame E. And moving on to frame D. Some more bits there. I'm not going to go into it. You know, obviously there's the gearing on there, the wheels, tyres, everything you need to complete the kit. And then finally, this is sprue, frame C. This is frame C. Again, look at the detail there. Can you see that detail? I'll just try and get it to. Lovely detail inside there. Very, very well designed. And, you know, it'll be accurate because Luke's done all the research. And we put our trust in Luke. In Luke we trust. That's the new motto, I think. In Luke we trust. And there you go. And that's it. Oh, I forgot. We need to look at the glass. And there's all this nice, crisp, clear plastic there. You can see on the fuselage, on the glass there. It just looks nice. That's got like a matte effect because you paint over that. But yeah, looking pretty nice indeed. So there you go. That was an unboxing and a quick review of the Airfix Club. If you would like to become a member, there is a link in the description box down below. I will also put it into the comment. I'll pin a comment with the link to this. And also just leave a comment. Are you going to buy this kit or buy this membership? Is it worth it for you? Just let me know your thoughts on this new Airfix Club membership pack down below. And that's it. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all, and you'll never miss another video from this channel again. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. And a huge thank you to all the channel members who are on the screen now. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and membership start from $1.99. If you've not seen my previous video, click here. If you want to see a playlist of some of my other videos, click here.